Hello, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we want to solve this problem that say 2 power a is equal to 200. What is the value of a? Solution. 2 power a is equal to 200. We get log from both sides of the equation like this. We know that log a power b is equal to b times log a. According to this tip, we write a times log 2 is equal to log, and instead of 200 we write 2 times 10 power 2. Log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. Now, according to this tip, we rewrite the right side of the equation. So, a times log 2 is equal to log 2 plus log 10 power 2. And again transfer this power to the outside of the log. So we have a dot log 2 is equal to log 2 plus 2 times. Instead of log 10, we write log 2 plus log 5. In this step, we are divided all terms with log 2, like this. So these two terms and these cancelled together. So we can write a is equal to 1, here is 1, plus 2 times, in here, log 2 over log 2 plus 2 times log 5 over log 2. And these are cancelled together too. We know that log a over log b is equal to log a in base b. So we can write a is equal to 1 plus 2 or 3 plus 2 times log 5 over log 2 log 5 base 2, and a approximately is equal to 7.644, and this is our final solution. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next one. Bye.